If you are in Crete, you must visit at least one beach. Falassarna Beach is about an hour away from Hania, and it is very easy to get to by car. There is no off-roading or hiking down the beach. Quite the contrary, it has an organized parking, a shuttle to the beach from the parking area, and it has all the amenities you need. We made it to Falassarna Beach.
Yes, about an hour drive. First experience in driving here. Okay, not too rough, I would say.
So the beach has ample parking. We paid like 6 euros for the
yes,
whole
for
day.
whole day.
There should be a restaurant which has changing facilities, toilets, whatever, but we didn't come to the parking right next to the restaurant. In fact, we have to take like a train down to the beach.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes.
Let's make our way to the beach.
We skipped the train because it had a queue, but it was an easy walk downhill.
We're making lunch plans.
Everyone's
famished.
The restaurant had some great lunch options at decent prices. After lunch, we made our way down the wooden path to the beach. It's so clear and so clean, beautiful.
Yeah, so some information that we have to share is if you're planning to come here and rent sunbeds, etc., according to the guy who spoke, till 11 o'clock everything's fully booked, and the price range is one thing to be sort of aware of. So the first line where you get 2 sunbeds and like a shady thing on top, that's 80 euros, right? And then it sort of the price goes down with every row, so it's 80, 60, 40 and 30. What I would recommend, and then you can rent sunbeds at 10 euros each, just the sunbed, no umbrella.
You managed to bring your own umbrella.
Yeah, I think the best you could do then is like rent a couple of sunbeds, you get your umbrella, you stick it at the front, and you basically get the 80 euro experience for 20. So like these guys did.
But it's a very nice beach.
Yes, I was just saying, I think Thailand has nice beaches, but this honestly is really, really good. The water is crystal clear.
Not too far from the Maldives.
Yes, the color is amazing, super clean, even though there's like really lots of people, but still doesn't feel crowded. The scenery is spectacular around us.
Recommended.
I really like this one.
Off to swim.
The Crete is a very, very good choice of a beach. I like it.
And when you're ready from the beach, you can get the train back up to the car. Comfort 10 on 10. Yes.
No hassle, no bustle.
The beach is made of white, fine sand, and the water is crystal clear turquoise. It is now so obvious why this was voted as the most beautiful beach in Crete. If you are planning your own trip to Crete, you can also check our Crete playlist on our channel. Thanks for watching.